Peace be upon you, the fifth grade students, أطفال الرمز النموذجي school. Today, inshallah, we talk about sum any. What the meaning of sum? Sum means part. Any means a. Now, we use sum with affirmative sentence. What the meaning of affirmative sentence? الجملة المثبتة. Example. There are some herbs. Look at this sentence. What is the form of this sentence? What the meaning of form? Form means شكل. For example, when we talk about lesson لما ناخذ درس جديد واحكي لكم read the title اقرأ العنوان، مش بحكي لكم what is the form of the title، شو هو شكل العنوان. مرة بيكون affirmative sentence، مرة بيكون negative sentence، مرة بيكون question yes or no question WH question. form معناها الشكل. There are some herbs. It's an affirmative sentence. Herbs, plural, so you have to write here are. Another example, there is some flower. Full stop. It's an affirmative sentence. Flower singular, so you have to put here S. Flower singular, you have to put here S. Now, let's move to any. We use any with negative sentence plus question. Now, خلينا نرجع للفيرست example here اللي هي there are some herbs. الافيرماتيف سنتنس، الجمله المثبته. هاي الجمله المثبته نفسها I will negate. So there are some herbs. In negative sentence will be there aren't some herbs. There aren't any herbs. There aren't any herbs. شو عملنا هون يا خامس؟ حكينا are plus not اللي هي اختصارها aren't. هون affirmative sentence، هون negative sentence. Why we put any here? ليش حطينا any here? Because it's a negative sentence. Where is the negative? Aren't. شو المقصود بaren't? are plus not. So you have to put any here because it's a negative sentence. Okay? Here affirmative sentence, here negative sentence. Now, question. Let's move to the first example. نرجع لأول مثال. There are some herbs. الافيرماتيف سنتنس هاي نفسها بدي احولها لكويستشن. تتذكروا يا خامس شو عملنا؟ حركة الضرب التبادلي. Do you remember? Yes. Here are there فراغ herbs question mark. الآن are question mark, it's a question. So you have to put here any. Why we put here any? Because it's a question. Are there any herbs? Yes or no question. You have to answer about this question. For example, yes, there are, or no, there aren't. طبعا aren't اللي هي نفس الشيء حكينا are plus not. في شغلة جدا جدا very important يا خامس، إنه دائما ما نبدأ به السؤال نختم به الجواب. For example, when the question starts with are, the answer ends with are. إلا إذا كانت no, aren't, yes, are. For example, look at this example. There is some flower. حطينا some because it's affirmative sentence. بدي أغير some وأحط أني. عشان أغير some وأحط أني عندنا حلين، يا إما بحولها لنيجاتيف sentence يا إما بحولها لquestion عشان أقدر أشيل some وأحط أني. أنا بدي أعمل لكم الحلين. جاهزين؟ يلا. There is some flower. Negative sentence is. شو بنعمل بإز؟ زي ما عملنا بآر. There isn't some. No. Any. Why? Negative sentence. Any flower. Full stop. It's a negative sentence. Is plus not. Isn't. Now let's change this affirmative sentence to question. There is some flower. نرجع نعمل الضرب التبادلي يا خامس. Do you remember? Yes. Is there فراغ flower question mark. Look at is أول حرف دائما capital letter. انتبهوا لي على هالشغلة هاي لما نعمل الضرب التبادلي، لأنها هون بتكون بالنص فأكيد حتكون small letter. So لما نعمل الضرب التبادلي بنغيرها لكابيتال letter والتي ترجع small letter. Is there flower? It's a question, so you have to put here any. Is there any flower? Yes. There is or no there isn't. في شغلة جدا مهمة يا خامس بدي أذكركم فيها أو ألفت انتباهكم عليها، إنه إحنا هون لما حكينا there are some herbs إحنا ما حطينا هون are عبثا. Why we put are here? Because herbs is plural. لأنها جمع حطينا are. There are some herbs. And here لما حكينا there is some flower. Why we put is here? ليش حطينا is here? Because flower is singular. لأنها flower singular you have to put is here. نرجع لورا على القاعدة اللي أخذناها آخر مرة وبنتذكر is herbs countable or uncountable? Count because it's end with s. So herbs is countable noun. دائما مع الكاونتبل بنحط are. ليش؟ لأنه الكاونتبل لازم يكون plural. جمعناه كان له مفرد وجمعناه. countable are. singular is. singular uncountable. uncountable is. singular is. uncountable is. countable are. plural are. okay? دائرة هيك نمشي فيها. countable are plural. نفس الشيء. uncountable is singular. Now look at this exercise. This exercise talk about some and any. Some and any talk about محددات الكمية. Look at this exercise. You have to complete this blanket with suitable words from these baskets. Okay? Now, 1. فراغ there any flower? Question mark. Question mark. It's a question. So look here. We put any. We put any. Now look at flower. Look at flower. Is the flower singular or plural? Singular. Excellent. Is the flower countable or uncountable? Uncountable. So you have to put here what? Come to uncountable noun. Give me countable noun. Is there any flower? Is there any flower? You have to put here. Is there any flower? No, there. No, there. What? No, there. What? Flower. Is. No. Negative. Where? Come to uncountable noun. Yes. Isn't. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Is there any flower? No, there isn't. A. Are there فراغ spices? Question mark. Question mark. It's a question. What we will have put here? Question mark. So go to questions. What is in this question? Yes, Annie. Annie. We use Annie with a question. We use Annie with a question. And it's a question. Are there any spices? Yes. You have to put here Annie. You have to put here Annie. Now, the answer here is no, there. No, there. Spices. Plural. Are spices countable? No, negative. Come to countable noun. And there is negative here. Are, so you have to put here aren't. Countable. Have you aren't here? Yes, aren't. Put here aren't. Why we will put here aren't? Because this question starts with are and there is no here. So the answer here is aren't. And we will put are here because spices is plural and spices is countable now. Now here, فراغ there any onions. Question. It's a question. Onions. Singular or plural? Plural. Yes. Countable or uncountable? Countable. So, come here. Come to countable noun. What is here? E-R. R. Because onions is plural and countable. So, you have to put here R. Are there any onions? Question mark. Yes, there onions are. Yes. Come here to countable. What is it? Are, yes. Not aren't because it's yes. Yes, there are. So you have to put here are. Yes, there are. But. What's the meaning of but? But means لكن. But means لكن. في شغلة very very important يا خامس بدك تعرف إنه after but it's a new sentence من عامل الجملة اللي بعد but جملة جديدة ما بنضل معاملينها على أساس إنها question. أوكي؟ لأنه but هون أداة ربط between two sentences يعني هاي sentence or هاي questions and here another sentence. أوكي؟ There isn't فراغ salt. Salt singular و uncountable. So مشان هيك حطينا هون is. تمام؟ Now look at the sentence. What is the form of the sentence? Is it an affirmative sentence? No. Why? Because there is not here. So it's a negative sentence. Negative sentence. What is negative sentence? Hey, negative sentence. Yes. What's how you happen? Wow, Annie. Yes. We will put Annie here because we use Annie with negative sentence. So you have to put Annie here. There isn't any salt. Thank you. Sorry خامس نسينا هون إن نكمل. No, there aren't. لما حكينا عن spices. No, there aren't. But there is فراغ pepper. كمان نفس الشيء. أنا هون يعني كنت حابة إني أشرحهم أصلا سوا but وبات. كمان هاي الجملة بنعاملها معاملة new sentence، جملة جديدة. There is فراغ paper. Look at the sentence. There is فراغ paper. It's an affirmative sentence. فيها نفي؟ No. It's a question? No. Come to affirmative sentence. Yes, yeah, affirmative. Some, yes. You have to put some here. You have to put some here. There is some paper.